Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm so happy that you're here and I hope that you will enjoy making this with me. So guys, in my previous video I was telling you a part of my journey as I have grown up since high school up to where I am right now, and I was giving you some snippets about it. And I just want to say today that dreams evolve. Maybe what you want right now is not what you will want in 20 years time or in 5 years time. So for my case, I still want to do science, but right now I want to do science in the sense of research. I enjoy doing research, and yes, that is a path that I would like to take so far right now. But again, along the way another dream was born, and this one is I think it's bigger than me. I have worked in the humanitarian sector, and I have felt the most fulfillment when so right now I have a dream, and my dream is to impact lives. And of course I have a plan laid out, and maybe we'll get to share it one of these fine days. But yes, I have a plan. I have a new plan. I have something I want to do for my community. I have something that I want to do to impact lives. I realized that this thing that I wanted to do, that science is good, yes, but I want something that will outlive me. I want something that will outlive my years here on earth. So I want to build something better for someone, and I thought that leaving a footprint in people's lives, doing something for people, we will leave a better legacy for me and for my generation. I want that 20 years from now, just like we remember the story of the legends of our time, I want people to look back and remember that I lived, and remember my impact and the contribution that I made towards people and towards making lives better. So that's my new dream. It requires a lot of sacrifice. It requires a lot of finances to put it in place. And I don't want to talk about it right now because I want to talk about it when it's already in motion. And therefore every day I wake up and I tell myself, today I am a day closer to my dream. So wherever you are and whatever your dream is, however much unreachable it seems, just know that when you wake up or each living hour, as long as you're doing something towards that dream, then you are closer. You are closer to achieving it. You are closer to making it a reality. And I really hope that one day you will look back and say, this is what I prayed for, and right now it has come to pass. So I wish you all the best in your dreams. I wish you all the best in whatever you do. I wish you all the very best, and I hope, and I really hope that I get to grow this channel to a point where this channel will help me to not only share my passion for doing DIY and for travel, but it will also grow to a level that I'll use it to share other people's dreams and other people's impact. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I'm asking you to be part of my journey, and I request you to subscribe and to support me by watching my videos and by sharing my content out there. And I also appreciate feedback. If there is anything that you think I can do better, please let me know, and we will grow together, and you will be part of my success story. Thank you.